Hey everybody, I'm Jason Gillett down here at Grand Prairie Nissan, and today I wanted to show you the 2020 Nissan Qashqai. So for this year, they just did a refresh on this model, made it look a little better, and added some features, which is awesome. So I really like the design. They've now changed the grille and the front bumper on this, giving it a little bit more sporty, a little more aggressive look. This is the SV model. Let me walk you through what type of features you're gonna get with that. So you do have auto projection headlights, and they have a cool LED marker on them. They also have high beam assist, so you never have to turn your high beams off. As soon as you get to another vehicle coming at you, it's automatically going to turn those off. As soon as you go past it, turn them back on again, which is awesome. In the front here, it does have a forward collision system, so the vehicle will recognize if somebody cuts you off last second. If you can't brake, it's going to warn you, and then it will actually brake for you. Also has pedestrian detection. What that means is a pedestrian walks out in front, it can even pick up something as small as a child walking out in front of the vehicle, saving lives, which is awesome. The vehicle also has a lane departure system, so you can see the lanes on the road and help you if you're just wandering off, maybe you're a little distracted, let you know, keep you in your lane, which is really nice. Super safe. Now along to the side here, you'll see it's got Nissan's intelligent entry system. So what that means is we can just press this button to lock or unlock the door, which is awesome. And that's thanks to Nissan's iKey, which also has a remote start on it, so you can remote start the vehicle. In the back here, you see, nice bit of space. Anybody can sit back here. You have good leg room, which is awesome. Also has some rear vents under the seat and in the back, so everybody can stay hot or cold as they need to. You see stylish aluminum alloy rims on the SV model. Now, not only do they look good, but they're intelligent too. They have Nissan's Easy Fill tire alert system, which means if the tire pressure goes low, you just put the air to it, and when it gets to the right pressure, the horn honks. Very awesome. In the back here, so they do have two different things to help you park. A backup camera. Now that camera also has rear cross detection, so that means if something's coming in from the side that you can't see, it's going to let you know, flash and beep at you, which is nice. And then it also has a sonar system, so as you get closer to things, it's going to give you an audible warning when you're backing up. In the back of the vehicle, you do have a nice amount of space. So we've got space here and the false floor to be able to put things underneath, which is great. And then those seats can fold down. This is a cargo privacy cover, and that can actually come out to give you even more space. I'm gonna get you to jump inside the passenger seat, and I'll show you some of the features inside. All right, so inside this vehicle, it is loaded with options. First thing, you do have a push button start, so I can just hit that, start up the vehicle, which is really nice. I do have this leather wrapped steering wheel. It's D-shaped, kind of a sporty design, but it's also heated. Heated steering wheel feels like a warm cup of coffee in the morning. You gotta just love that. The vehicle also has heated seats. They are quick comfort, zero gravity heated seat, means they have 17 pressure points on them, keep you from getting super tired while you're driving. And also the way the seat heaters work is they start at the butt and then work their way to the thigh and the lower back. Really great system they have on there. We do have touchscreen display in here, so this display looks great. That's where your backup camera and everything comes at. You got satellite radio, Bluetooth streaming audio, Bluetooth for your phone, even your text messages will come up on here. And another great thing is this has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So that means if you hook up your Android or Apple device, this is going to mirror your smartphone. You can actually use your navigation from your phone, like Google Maps or anything, and that'll come up right here. We also get dual climate control, so I have my side, my passenger has their side, and it has an auto setting, so it'll get as hot or as cold as it needs to. You got a nice space to put your phone and things down here, USB and auxiliary connection. Transmission is a great CVT, super smooth, and it also does have a manual shift mode if you like to drive a little sportier, which is great. Cup holders are here, have your armrest here with yet another USB and a 12-volt charger. And then up top here we have sunglasses, and we have a power sunroof, letting in all kinds of vitamin D. I really like that. Another safety feature I just want to tell you about is the vehicle does have a blind spot warning system. So this right here will light up if somebody gets in your blind spot, and then if you put your signal light on while that's lit up, it's going to flash and chime at you, letting you know somebody's in the blind spot there, which is great. Vehicle is all-wheel drive, has tons of traction, nice clearance, does have a great 2-liter motor, feels very sporty when you're driving it, but also gets amazing fuel economy. So that's our 2020 Nissan Qashqai. I hope you enjoyed having a quick look at it. If you have any questions, let me know.